Hey there, I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. Do you have a sticky door? Do you have a door that sticks? You can see we have a door that sticks. That is, it rubs the door jamb and will not close properly. There are three reasons why a door sticks. Either it was installed incorrectly, moisture is causing the door to swell, or the house is settling. This house is new construction. That's not going to be it. I believe it was just incorrectly installed. Now what makes me think it was incorrectly installed is there's a gap. It goes from a 1/4 inch down to nothing in the span of the door, whereas the gap opening is the same on the floor. Now I could plane it in place, but that's going to make a mess. It's going to be easier for me to just take the door off. First step is we have to find out or scribe how much we have to take off. I'm going to set my distance and actually use the door trim as my scribe. Always start with the bottom hinge pin. Then you don't need to use the punch on the next ones. Use the first hinge pin . Once you get the top hinge pin started, hold the door as you remove the hinge pin. At this point, you can use a straight edge to get your line darker. Now for this, I can use an electric planer, a hand planer, or even a belt sander. Whether using a belt sander, a block plane, or an electric planer, it's crucial to keep the tool straight. Let's try that out. Because we're testing it, we're only going to put 2 hinge pins in. Start with the top. Now with 2 started, we see if it rubs. Nice line, doesn't rub. Drive the hinge pins the rest of the way. It's just that easy. For more DIY tips and instructions in 2 to 4 minutes, click the subscribe button.